back the innocence of time, as boys turn men like hurricanes